Pag sinabi sa inyo ang POVA, the first thing that comes to my mind is sulit ang performance, malaki ang screen, malaki ang battery, and presyong kaibigan. And this one, bagong release, is no exception. Born to Ace is the POVA 3. Ako, I'm really excited every time naman nilalabas si POVA na bago, and gusto ko pakita sa inyo ang performance nitong POVA 3. Does it meet the 4 criteria na kakasabi ko lang? Pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, stay tuned kayo till the end of this video. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung paano kayo mananalo 1 POVA 3, courtesy of our friends from TECNO. I'm sure magugustuhan mo to pag inuwi mo to coming from me. But of course, simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing. So yan guys, nakita nyo na ang full unboxing ni TECNO POVA 3. Sabi ni TECNO, this one is born to Ace. And of course, I know it means na magandang performance nito. And it should give you the best experience on the latest POVA ever. So first thing na napansin ko pagka-open ko nitong phone nito is ang ganda ng design niya. The design is stunning and gustong-gusto ko yung bagong approach ni TECNO dito sa kanyang design dito sa POVA 3. Dito sa gitna, kita mo medyo may kunting pagka-umbok. And it looks more of a gamer phone. Ang ganda! I mean, this is something na you don't expect from this price point. Looking like a gaming phone, but you can also use this as any casual phone. Now, meron siyang dalawang variant, isang regular and isang special edition. The special edition has a LED light dito sa gitna which looks more stunning, more of a gamer approach. I think you should try to buy that one. Kunti lang differentiate ng presyo, no? The regular one with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage comes at 8,999. And of course, the special variant na may ilaw dito sa gitna na color blue, it will come at 9,399. For just an addition of 300 plus peso, meron ka nandito LED light na mukhang gaming phone. I think you should try that one. Sana pinadala sa ating TECNO yung better variant. I'm sure magugustuhan ng mga viewers natin, no? But don't worry, if I get the chance to visit any TECNO concept store at mapicturean ko siya, i-upload ko sa aking Instagram account, and of course, do follow me on Instagram at Gadget Sidekick. Now, this phone comes with a improved version of the MediaTek Helio G85. Inside this one is the MediaTek Helio G88. It's a more efficient na G85. And tinry ko naman bigyan lahat ng multitasking dito. Very smooth naman ang kanyang performance. Mapa-browsing on social media, playing games, and of course, watching videos on YouTube. Kayang-kaya nito, maning-mani lang sa kanya. And ang benchmark score na sa Antutu is not that far from MediaTek Helio G85. 244,000 points, somewhere nandun pa rin. Improve lang siya just a little bit from G85, itong G88. Decent naman kanya score dito sa 3D Mark sa wildlife, 725 points. Ito ang real surprise. Level 1 ang kanyang Wi-Fi security level, meaning pwede ka manood ng lahat ng favorite mong HD sa Netflix dito sa phone na ito kay TECNO POVA 3. Now, itong phone na ito has a pretty big screen, 6.95 inch FHD, and of course, 90Hz screen refresh rate. Ang laki! Imagine meron pa siyang 180Hz on touch sampling rate together with the 500 nits sa maximum brightness nitong phone na ito. And so, tinry ko naman siya under the bright sunlight to try to watch some videos. Napapanood ko pa naman, there are sometimes na pag sobrang bright ang sunlight, medyo nahirapan ako tumingin. Pero kung medyo humina ko din ang sunlight, nababasa ko naman everything on this screen. Of course, 500 nits is not the max brightness na na-try ko on any phones. Of course, mako-compromise siya konti pag sobrang liwanag ang araw. Now, itong phone nito is running smoothly on Android 12 with the iOS version 8.6. I've tried using this for roughly 2 weeks na dito sa aking channel, and I love every moment na nilalaro ko siya dito. No? Smooth na smooth. Every swipe dito is quite smooth dahil meron siya 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Imagine, buttery smooth siya at that price point. Grabe! Ang laki ng screen, smooth na smooth. Watching your favorite videos here is definitely a treat. And so I used the TECNO POVA 3 to watch some videos on YouTube. And I love the big screen na binibigyan niya sa akin. Ang lawak ng aking view. And I enjoyed watching some videos on Netflix, on YouTube. Of course, mas enjoy ko when I'm watching on big screen. Imagine, halos 7-incher kulang-kulang mini tablet na ito, no? At 8-incher. Basta masasabi ko lang sa inyo, you should try watching some videos on this one. I'm sure kayo din, mag-enjoy din kayo. Sabi ni Tecno, this phone has dual speakers. And of course, isa nandito sa taas and isa nandito sa baba. Now, it's being tuned by DTS, meaning better ang kanyang sound, mas okay daw kanyang bass. So gusto natin i-try dito, patugtog tayo ng music, pakinggan natin kung okay nga ba siya o hindi.
Yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the stars. Started going high, I ain't tripping for the phone. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I won't start. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a point to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never.
By far, okay ka ng sounds coming from the loudspeaker. Malakas ang tugtog niya from the top and from the bottom speakers. And I tried playing some of my favorite songs on Spotify dito sa phone na ito, and it really gives me some enjoyable music. And of course, watching videos din dito, it was quite enjoyable having the louds. But of course, kung hindi ka na kontento, you can always use the audio jack, which is still present on this phone. Now, tinry natin mag-gaming dito sa phone na ito. I know G88 kaya-kaya na mag-gaming. But of course, not to the extent na yung mga flagship level. But of course, you can expect some nice gaming dito sa phone na ito. So I did play 2 titles here, Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9. So I was able to enjoy itong dalawang game na ito, playing Call of Duty. The 180Hz of touch sampling rate was able to kick in. Imagine, ang bilis ng response niya on every single touch of mine. So, paglaro nito sa Call of Duty, importante, very fast ang response ng screen. Now, for every button na pinatch mo, kailangan very responsive para makapagpatay ka ng more enemies dito sa game na ito. And so I did. I was able to play an hour and a half. Okay naman siya. Smooth naman ang experience. Of course, there are time to time, meron siyang konting frame drops or konting lags. Hindi may iwasan, but of course, I will try to set it a little bit low or some medium graphic settings para mas smoother ang yung experience. Now, playing Asphalt 9, equally nice naman ang kanyang graphics. I was able to finish a couple of rounds dito sa racing game na ito, and it was able to give me that nice feeling playing this game. And sound siya dito is definitely nice kasi maririnig mo yung engine roar ng mga kotse dito sa game na ito. One main concern ng mga gamers is pag uminit ang phone, gaano kainit. Now, meron siyang bagong technology na dineploy dito, super high energy graphite heat dissipation film na nilagay niya dito sa loob to make sure na mas maganda ang dissipation ng init dito sa phone na ito. After playing an hour and a half, dire-diretso Call of Duty Mobile. Yes, I know uminit. Somewhere dito, uminit dito. But it was roughly around 42 to 43 degrees Celsius at the most of playing this game. So it was able to dissipate yung heat niya dito to spread it equally para mabilis mawala ang init niya. Which is pretty nice dito sa ginawa ni TECNO POVA 3. Now, itong TECNO POVA 3 has a massive battery. 7,000 mAh ang kanyang battery size dito. Plus, hindi lang yun. Dati, 18 watts lang ang kanyang fast charging. Fast charging. Ngayon, 33 watts na ang binigay ni TECNO dito, meaning you can charge it a lot faster dahil malaki ang kanyang battery. Pag binigay mo siguro ng 18 watts to, aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam, halos di matapos-tapos na yung charging. But giving it a 33 watts, guys, natapos in 2 hours ang charging nito phone na ito. Sa laki na kanyang battery, okay na. I mean, imagine you have a big battery size like that and can charge in 2 hours. Okay na sa akin yun. Sobrang panalo na yun. And another wow factor dito sa phone na ito is kaya niyang tumagal ng 2 days. Imagine 2 days guys hindi lang 1 day, 2 days kaya na tagal dito sa akin. No? So ginamit ko naman siya for 2 weeks, sinabi ko sa inyo. And on average usage, like social media, watching videos, playing some mild games, 2 days kaya na itagal. So mostly naka-Wi-Fi ako and time to time nag-mobile data ako, but mostly naka-Wi-Fi. Kaya na mag-sustain ng 2 days. Imagine, at this end of the second day, around mga 6 or 7 p.m. Roughly, mga nasa 15% na lang siya. But still, 2 days is 2 days. Imagine kung you're going out, hindi ka umuwi ng bahay. This phone can last you for 2 days. Okay na okay. This is for me the best traveling partner. Lalo na kung hindi ka nagdadala ng power bank. Pwede ito. Now guys, bago tayo pumunta sa camera section, i-announce ko sa inyo ang mechanics ng giveaway ko ng POVA 3. First mechanic is to follow me on TikTok at Gadget Sidekick kasi doon tayo magla-live draw netong phone na ito. Second is to comment on the comment section below dito sa video na ito here on YouTube. Ano specs ang nagustuhan mo dito sa TECNO POVA 3? Of course, using the official hashtag POVA3 Born to Ace, we'll be picking the winner on TikTok using live stream and of course YouTube random comment picker. So don't you dare miss it kasi anytime pwede tayo mag-live sa TikTok. So quickly, pag-usapan lang natin ang camera nitong phone na ito. It has a 50MP na main sensor, 2MP na depth sensor, and a AI sensor. Sa kaharap meron siya 8MP na front-facing camera. So nilabas ko naman itong phone na ito to outdoors and I was able to get in some nice shots sa outdoors. Basta meron magandang ilaw, this one can definitely get in some nice shots. But pagdating sa indoors, dyan magkakatalo ng konti. Okay naman sana kung sa indoor meron may konting ilaw, okay, nakakuha siya ng nice shots. But of course, pag medyo madilim, medyo nagiging grainy konti ang yung photos. But of course, adjust lang kayo konti sa ilaw para makakapagkuha kayo ng ilang mga really nice shot. Pagdating sa kanyang 8MP na selfie camera, I was able to take in some really nice shot outdoors, bright and punchy ang kanyang mga pictures. But pagdating sa indoors, basta may konting ilaw na maayos, it was able to take in really some nice shots. But of course, the same sa rear camera, pag medyo madilim, medyo grainy din ang kanyang resulta. Now, itong TECNO POVA 3 for me is a all-around phone na it's born to ace, kaya na mag-cater to mga youth na sobrang power-hungry, sobrang creative, and definitely for the workhorse in you, pwede itong phone na ito. Now, do you think na itong phone na ito ay sulit? Yes. Lahat yan na-tackle ko. Malaki ang battery? Yes. Maganda ang kanyang processor? Yes. Malaki ang kanyang screen? Yes. And of course, sulit ang presyo? Of course. 8,999? Naman, sulit na sulit. And of course guys, don't forget to check the official flagship store ng TECNO and I'll be posting everything on the description box below. And so guys, ang dami ko pang videos na pwede nyo panoorin. Check out the outro and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss sa mga future videos ko here on this channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!